Oh, shite. Wow, made a little bit on Onvo. I'm still reeling from that loss, man. Okay, no, I got to stop that behavior. Trading Farmer has to stop that. It just sucks. It's not a big deal. Where's my watch charger at, huh? Dude. Wow, that's frustrating. So I sold out. I could have had more profit on that one too. Be better, farmer. Marcos. I've never even seen Marcus before. Starbucks girl. I saw her this morning. She was busy. Our connection is breaking a little bit. Yeah, I was in on this one, and again, I'm selling too soon. I'm nailing entries, but then mismanaging the trade, mismanaging the trading. Definitely some heat in the market here. Really? Right into a freaking straight down? Gotta cut it? Shoot. That's brutal. I thought we'd get a little dip there and a pop. Guess we did right there. Oh, so showing a flat resumption on Wafu. We got to go back to Wafu daily chart. I don't think I even looked at the daily chart. This is a good daily chart. It has those. It's known for popping. 489. Next one I see is at 665. 665. Have a Fibonacci's from back in the day. 665. Yeah, I used to be big into fibs. I don't know. When the market's high like this, you kind of got to jump on. It's hard. It's hard. See, this one I'm realizing it's like you have to hold it a little bit longer than you want. I picked up an extra $100 there. Okay. Refocus, boys. So on days like this, you can get consumed with the action, and then you start flying all over the place. Gotta be a little careful. This will resume in about very soon here, but it looks like it might be a longer resumption. We'll see. Oh, I sold a tad early. I always mess up these halt resumption scalps. I really do. Huh? It's not looking so good there. Snag that one at least. Find that initial dip, that next dip with smaller size. Okay. It's a little trickier, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna learn my lesson from last time. I'm not gonna jump back in this thing super much until I see something. Just because I'm just scared to get chopped up. 6 what level did we mark out on the daily on this one? 669. Keep my phone. I always have my phone as a backup. Oh, missed that one. Oh, my back. Wow. Oh, had a little bit of, I fat fingered the sell button and did a limit and a market at the same time. Luckily, the market went through. I fat fingered it. Oh, I can get canceled for saying fat. Oh dear. Okay. Lionel's. That's scary. That you. Actually, I'm not even sure which location that is, but still, that's scary. He's in the area. He's in the area. Yeah, I'll be afraid. Oh, shite. You. Screw your ugly, stupid freaking. So chased it late, and then I got bamboozled. Shoot, dude, I keep getting bamboozled. God dang it. As soon as I'm on my phone, what am I doing? Dude, this girl cost me this much money. Oh. Ah, shite. I messed up here again. Fault up is 692. Ah. Selling pressure is a little bit higher. Frick. I'm not doing well. Ah, dude, I've just been getting bamboozled. I'm reading a little too much into the price ladder. Shoot, I got bamboozled. It's strong. It's really strong, and I think I'm having a hard time adjusting to it personally. I kind of missed the rip through the apex because I was on my phone. So definitely some bad trading going on here. But I had a good day yesterday, so trying to hang on to what I can today. Look at that quick dip rebound on 20 on it was just real quick on that. Nice. Um ah of course the one trade I do take, I get incredibly bamboozled. Oh, shite. Man, I really do get chopped up on this a lot. Oh, it's okay. Just keep focusing on trying to get it. Wow. Shite. It's okay. Struggling a little bit here. Mm. Dude. Man, it must just be, dude, is it just me just absolutely getting chopped? Is it just me absolutely getting chopped? Over 1,000 off my highs, 1,500. Shite. A little bit of a deal. Line up good, yeah. That tends to happen on these things. Because what we start looking at 342, it ran up to $7 a share. Shoot, see that every day. Or we've been seeing it more, but yeah, it is just it's got that extra level of choppiness. Although I've given back quite a bit of profit, I don't want to, in anger, give back more. Caught that one. Man, should have been sized up. Right into like, it retraced the entire move. It went to 749. Sold at 734. All right, so back in the table. Back in the saddle. Question is, where is Amelia Earhart? Where did she disappear to? with a name like Wafu. Hey, Josh, I'm gonna have to ask you to not be racist. I'm kidding. I know you're not. Wow, it lagged so much it didn't even register. Ah, dude, I keep making this same scallywag mistakes. Oh, God, dang it! Oh, man. God dang it, son of a. The Vols. Timing these dips for me is a little bit harder, but oh, okay. Man, I really do just get chopped quite a bit. Man, I had 4.2. God dang, man, I bleed quick on this. Uh 50,000 share seller. All down 548. Wow. Careful. I tried to play with it a little bit. I gave back. Again, I make some and I give it back. It's not bad, but that's how every day goes. Got to keep looking for good entries. All right. What else is moving? What happened to this thing? This one ended up being a dud. I had a good trade on it. Wafu, my daddy. GDC, we'll see what that is about. Float on it is low. Yes. Kind of a little bit of a no. Not too impressed with GDC. Tried it, but didn't work. Oh, this is starting to scare me a little bit. Okay, LVTX. Another kind of riskier one. No. That's too cheap. It's not like STAI. Has a little bit better look. I like the price a little bit more. As far as volume, it doesn't have not a whole lot. All right, so Onvo resumes here sort of soon. I'm up 4.4. I don't know. It's embarrassing, but gratefulness is a key of virtue. You know, I was realizing I have not met someone. I have never met a bad Tim. You know what I mean? Let's look here. These sometimes can be good. Sometimes you get screwed. Trying to think. I'm trying to see if I'm trying to think if I know any ugly Laurens, but you're right. There's something there about that BZ. I haven't met a Lauren that doesn't want to be hot. Let me go back to this Wafu. So kind of my play on this was sold off kind of hard, right? And this is a hot stock. Sold off pretty hard, almost to a halt down. Doesn't halt down, it pops up from 570 to 605. I'm thinking, okay, that could be a sign of support, but I waited for the dip, dipped down to 583. That's where I tried to jump in around there. And then we got the surge back up. But I was prepared to cut it if we were going to get a continued drop. There was fear in that trade. Those trades sometimes really do screw you, but I feel like there's enough energy in today's price action. You can feel the I don't know what you want to call it. Is what's happening to the market today? Market's dumping. Okay, 593 I see on the SPY. Good. I got to load up on these dips. Or is it going to dip more? Ah, screw you. Just going to sell that. Ugh. We have been seeing bigger drops too. I mean, this is it. I mean, this is you know, I don't want to sit here and complain every day about what we got. What we get every day is what it is. This is how it was 5 years ago. This is how it was 3 years ago. Right into a halt up out on Bill. Had kind of had the breakthrough VWAP, then the pullback right below VWAP, comes back up. False halt there. That could get somebody. Probably got a few people. I'm up about 6,000 right now. Not too bad. Oh, I love you guys. 99 likes. This is a double-edged sword day. Great momentum, but you can't be. Oh, that was a nice dub pattern there. I know some of my students got that. Really, it was shaky there. Do you guys like having this does anybody use this scanner on the left? Is anybody reading off of that? I tried to make it more prominent so you can see the latest ones. It's a pretty good scanner because I filter out garbage. No, nobody's using it. I got 2 no's and 1 yes. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, if it's not, I mean, I'm assuming most people have their own scanners. I'm a little worried about this pattern here. So we did have the dub pattern. The dub pattern ran out of steam. So we talk about this in the classes. This is a dip, but it's off of a failed key pattern, such as the false breakdown or the double bottom W. Right? We can call it all kind of the same thing. A little bit of differences. We will see. It's a critical condition. SLNX, BRTX says a little bit closer in price. I have to keep an eye on Wafu. It's still in play. Let's see. Drop my warning. Yeah, it seems like the market's taking a little bit of breather. So oh shoot, this is here. I always hesitate to get in and then I miss. Ooh. Yeah, I got a gun rack for my birthday. Got what else did I get? We did sushi last night. Except I didn't want to go out to eat. I don't like doing birthdays out. But it was fine. We just went out and ate. Yeah, there's nothing worse than being in a restaurant and then everyone breaks out singing happy birthday to you. It's like, yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good on the JTI, ticker symbol JTAI, ticker symbol JTAI. Float. What's float? What's float? I don't know, dude. What's the float on this? Yeah, so you go out. I'm not so sure about JTI. We got to stick kind of to the better ones. For no, there's nothing wrong with the call out. Don't be self-conscious. For some reason, the sellers have this thing by the nuts. It feels, but we did overcome them there. That's. I'm just scared. Ah, Scallywagger. Yeah, J-Tie, I like the 5-minute pattern on it. 5-minute pattern I like. But that's it. Yes, my wisdom. I got no wisdom. I'm just a scallywag. Okay, so this is in a consolidation triangle. I'll call it that, or a wedge. But with it having going to 750 and then selling off down here, what I consider is this is kind of a bear flag. This whole pattern is a bear flag. Within the bear flag, we did have a dub pattern. Is what I consider, but that ran out of steam, and so now it's coiling. Being that it's a bear flag, being that we've run, that this is where like a dip on this is quite a bit higher risk, but it does rebound, like it just did. Yeah, it's fighting, but it's not. No, it did work. Wow, it did work, and then it did fail. What the nutsack? Or sorry, gosh, I gotta clean it up because I got so many people that I didn't know that were watching the stream. So I gotta clean this up. I gotta be like Mr. Rogers. Hello, neighbor. Yeah, I'm gonna become the Mr. Rogers of the trading community. This is my declaration right now. J-Tie, I'm not surprised, but man, it was light volume, man. Oh, no, frick. No, J-Tie's, the spreads are too unstable, partly with the lower volume. Pattern was good. Feel like the spreads are unstable. God dang it, you guys. What do you guys think? He was a Marine sniper. Yeah, one of the traders at the event who stayed at the Airbnb was he said he was a sniper. I think I forgot what it was. Sharpshooter, I guess, is the correct term for him. I was like, shoot. I was like, come on, brother. So, how do you know Matt Owens of Triforce? I met him at the event, and he said he was kind of a fan. I guess he had, but he may have been joking, but he seemed really interested. And so, yeah, I'm in contact. He actually wished me happy birthday yesterday. So, real nice guy. I asked if he could come on the channel. You know, we'll see. Good guy. I missed that bottoming tail wick kind of reclaim. Trying to do a limit order. Sometimes these pay off, sometimes they don't. In this case, it really didn't pay off. Oh, how come we're losing?